Okay, so this is part C, and again, I just have written the universal set, the same ABC subsets, and now we want to find what this set looks like. So just put a question mark, and so here, because we have this prime, right, that means C complement. So all the elements in the universal set that are not in C. So we have to calculate this first. So I guess if you want to do step 1, and maybe, let's see, darker pink, then we can take the union of B union C complement, right? That can be step 2. Let's see, this guy can be step 3, right? And then finally, we'll take the intersection, right, of this first set and whatever we get here. That'll be step 4. Okay, so let's start the process. Okay, so let me get my light pink. Okay, so step 1 is, what is C complement? Okay, what is C complement? Well, C complement is all the elements in the universal set that are not in U. Okay, so again, remember from set builder notation, right? All X such that X is in U and X is not in C. Okay, X is in U. Well, what is our U? And I believe it's 1 through 9. 6, 7, 8, 9 from above. Yes, and then our C, well, what's our C? Our C is right here, right? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we want all the elements in U that are not in C. So we have to basically cross 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7 out. So we know 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7, right? The guys that I just crossed out are all the elements in C, right? Because I can't have it, here. It's saying X is not in C. So my C complement, and I will use my light pink, is going to be, well, what's left? It looks like 1, 5, 8, and 9. Okay, so that is my B complement, my C complement. So that's, I guess, step 1. Step 2 is, let's put B union and then this set together. And again, what is B? Let me make this smaller, actually. B is, make room here. B is 1, 2, 3, 6, and 8, right? And then we're taking the union of with C complement, and we just found C complement, right? 1, 5, 8, and 9. Okay, so again, this is B union, and then this guy is C complement. So the union of this set, right? Remember, we just write the first set, which is the following. And then we add to the set, depending, again, if these guys repeat, we don't want to write them again. So it already has a 1, 5. Okay, we don't have a 5. So we put in a 5. Let's see, 6. Well, we have a 6. 8, we already have an 8, so 9. And then we can rewrite this in order. So 1, 2, 3, no 4, 5, 6, no 7, 8, and 9. So what I've just written is B union C complement. So that is B union, I guess I'll write that, C complement. But it's that second step, right, is this guy. And let's see, what else do we have? Then we just have to, step 3 is just A, and intersecting it with our B union C complement, which we found. I mean, so technically it's, you could say an extra step, but so let's write A. And let's see, A, since I I wrote it in light blue. Okay, so our A, all right, I'm looking at this part right here. A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That's my A. And I want to intersect it with, well, the step 2, the B union C complement, right? There's my B union C complement, but that's just right here. So I'll just write it in 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 8, and 9. So what is in common to both? And let's see what's in common to both. It looks like the one, well, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1's in common, 2's in common, 3's in common, not 4, 5's in common, no 6, no 8, and no 9. So we can stop, whoops, right here. So that is that's our set. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 5 are the only elements in that set. And might as well, we're going to do the cardinality. So this set is equal to, we just found, let me just write it in, A intersection B union C complement. So the cardinality of, and I'm going to write brackets, of this set is equal to 4, right? Because there are 4 elements in that set. This is a very important example, so please make sure you understand it. If not, please write notes, question marks on the side of your notes, and make sure to ask me in class or discuss it with another student.